In this video, I will show you how to set shipping address on AliExpress. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you want to do first is come across to aliexpress.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top to your profile, hover over this to bring up this menu, and then come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and click onto shipping address in this menu on the left-hand side. And this is where you can come to actually set your shipping address. So what you would do is enter your contact information, so your first name, last name, and mobile number. And then what you can do is enter your address. So you can actually search by postcode, street, or address. Once you've done that, if you want, you can tick the box here to set this address as your default shipping address. And once you've entered your information, all you need to do is simply come down and click onto confirm at the bottom. Once done, you would have successfully set your shipping address, and that is how to set your shipping address on AliExpress. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.